Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of notifications on the application of NFL. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, we will search about NFL. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of NFL, and here you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.